doubt you will. This is the umrax. I might have spelled it wrong in the title, or didn't. I'm not really familiar with the umrax brand, the walther p99. But this is the walther p99 by umrax. My brother doesn't like it. I don't know why. I think it's an awesome pistol. It's not the size of the real one. The real one is the size of this standard p9, but this is not the size of it, and not the size of the real one. It's smaller for some reason, but that's the only complaint. I think it's a really good pistol. It uses barrel bends to pick up the bullets, just like a Glock in real life would. And it locks. It's got an opening port. The barrel moves around a little, just because the barrel bends. And you can tell the barrel bend when it's locked. The gun will only lock back with the magazine in, and when you the first time cocking it. If the magazine is out and you try to lock it, the only way to lock it that way is to manually put the button up. Magazine holds 70 in the back, and I think it's 12 in the front, I think. Maybe 10 or something. 11 or 12, or maybe even 10. But it's a small magazine, very small, so that's good. And it holds about 20 in the reservoir. It says it's actually it might hold 70. It's got a base plate. This magazine comes with 2 magazines. Disassembly, which I will now show you now. Let me fix this right quick. To disassemble, lock it back, take the magazine out once it's locked, push these buttons down with your thumbs, doing it with your thumbs seems to be easier. Then let the slide go forward with the buttons down. Then dry fire and the slide should pop off like this. There's disassembly. You can take, I'll actually show you here. You can take the recoil spring out. It's basically it. You can take the plunger and spring that shoots it out, but that's not recommended. You cannot take the barrel out. It is not, you can't, I don't think, from what I'm seeing right now. Nope, you can't take the barrel out. That's not really a complaint for me. Then to put it back together, you can take these out. But okay, just put these back in. And now you got this piece, and the big end of that is gonna go right here on the first notch, and you line it up here, and then you're gonna push it on the second notch once you got the front of it lined up, and then you're gonna push it on the second notch. And once the black piece is lined up with that, press it on the second notch. Then take the gun and line it up with the rails. Very hard to disassemble. That's one complaint. Zach did this one. This is not really familiar. Now put the piece with the big end of the piece right there. I don't know, guys. Just let me fix this right quick, then I'll tell you how. It's complicated. I forget how to do it every time. Put the spring in here. Got this wrong way. Let's put the big end toward the big end and the small end toward the small end. My brother will stop putting his thumb there, and he doesn't even like the gun. He doesn't like it. I don't know why. I think it's a nice little pistol. It's really accurate in my opinion. He doesn't think it's accurate. He doesn't really have a reason why he doesn't like it. Put this back together. That's not weird. I'm really sorry, guys. You guys can skip about a minute here, maybe even longer. If your computer just skips slowly, so make sure it doesn't. Oh, yeah, I think I got it now. Maybe, maybe not. Nope. Oh, doesn't seem to want to cooperate. I don't want to do the rest of you without showing you guys the gun. So, gotta put it back together. So, the gun is very good. In my opinion, you may have different thoughts. My brother certainly does. I really like it. I think it's a really good pistol. Maybe not for wars, but for playing around with. This is an extremely good gun to me. So that's the end of the review, and see you guys later. If my brother would please log this off and hit the stop button.